This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit of faith is that it protects one from fear and grief. Chapter 6, verse 48.
So whoever believes and reforms, there will be no fear concerning them, nor will they grieve.
This verse also indicates the importance of supporting one's internal belief with righteous actions. One without the other will not lead to true success and the blessings mentioned in this verse. It is one of the reasons why the Muslim nation is facing such difficulties, as many declare Islam with their tongues but struggle to act on its teachings. This attitude does not and will not relieve them of fear and grief, which is quite evident when one observes the media and the state of the Muslim nation. Those who fulfill both aspects have been promised a reward which has not been enumerated nor restricted in any way. This indicates that their reward will be unimaginable and it will affect every aspect of their worldly and religious lives. These Muslims will not fear anything except Allah, the Exalted, and will successfully overcome all difficulties in both worlds without fearing them, as they have been extended protection and safety by Allah, the Exalted. This verse does not mean they will not encounter sadness during difficulties, but it means that their sadness will never push them towards extreme sadness, namely, grief, which often leads to the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, such as impatience. Allah, the Exalted, will bless them with a balanced state of mind whereby they experience happiness without becoming proud and sadness without experiencing grief. This is an important aspect of dealing with both times of ease and difficulties successfully.